Hey, this is Dr. TJ Ammons here, founder of Champion Adjusters, and I have big news. I have a new live training called the Champion Fast Track Workshop. And this is specifically made for new adjusters, so if you want to launch your adjuster career profitably in the right way, if you want to be able to land a high-paying adjuster job fast, if you want to have the skills and confidence needed to keep that job, then keep listening. Because I know a lot of people have been struggling with the concept of how to land an adjuster job. What are my next steps? Or maybe you're thinking that you've tried the adjuster thing and it's not working out, you haven't landed a job, you're confused and you're frustrated and you're tired and you're ready to make something happen but you don't want to wait for a hurricane. Then the Champion Fast Track Workshop is just for you, because it's going to bridge the gap from where you are right now to where you need to be. So even if you have zero experience or you don't know what to do or the next step, all you have to do is click the link in the description box below or fill out the form to the right. There's no catch. I just remember how it was challenging and so many obstacles ahead of me when I first started as an adjuster over 8 years ago. And guess what? Storm season is upon us, and so you need to get the training as soon as possible. Now, I have a very limited amount of seats available, and I want to make sure that you don't miss out. Hey, so I want to go over what you get when you sign up for the workshop. So not only do you get a resume writing, learning how to build a referral network to give you free leads, how to find those high-paying adjuster jobs, what certifications to take, tips to help you become a more profitable adjuster, ways to double your income as a new adjuster. All these things are included in the workshop and the training that you'll get on the day that the workshop takes place. Hey, so in addition to all of that, you're going to get my full library of online training. So you're going to get the Champion 30-day training, you're going to get all of my templates, all of my ebooks, all of the how to network like an adjuster, the top certification trainings. You're gonna get all those things for free. That's a $300 bonus for free today when you sign up for the Champion Fast Track Workshop. So what are you waiting for? Make sure you sign up. The dates are below, the information is below, and I'll send you an email confirmation. And plus, you're gonna get a free gift today. You're gonna get a flash drive with a lot of my content on it in advance, and I'm also going to enroll you in the private exclusive Facebook group for people who will be attending the workshop, so you can jump ahead of the curve, get to know other people, and start building up those referrals, and maybe you could even land a job before the workshop starts. I don't know, but so happy that you watched this video. Make sure you join the workshop today. Limited seating available. God bless. I can't wait to answer all of your questions at the workshop. See you there.